In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Elementor mega menu. If you want to enhance your website's navigation and present a lot of options in a visually appealing layout, creating a mega menu with Elementor is a great way to do that. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, we need to ensure we have the right tools. To achieve this, we'll need to install the Elements Kit plugin. Elements Kit is a powerful add-on that expands what you can do with Elementor, allowing you to build advanced, stunning mega menus effortlessly. To start, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type Elements Kit, and once it pops up in the results, go ahead and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, don't forget to activate the plugin to make use of its features. With the Elements Kit plugin successfully installed and activated, our next step is to enable both the Mega Menu and Header-Footer modules. This is crucial as these modules are what we'll be using to create and customize our Mega Menu. From your WordPress dashboard, locate the Elements Kit settings. In the available modules, you should see options for both the Mega Menu and the Header-Footer. Turn both of these modules on by toggling their respective switches. Doing so will enable us to create a distinctive header template that's tailored specifically for the mega menu. Now that those modules are enabled, it's time to create a header template that makes full use of Elements Kit's functionalities. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Templates and then select Add New. From here, we can configure a new header template using the Elements Kit Builder. You can either choose one of the pre-designed templates or start from scratch, depending on your needs and design preferences. Regardless of your choice, you can personalize it further to align with your site's aesthetic. We're not quite done yet, as the next task is to assign this header to the menu items of your choice. Head over to the Appearance section and then Menus. Here, you'll see your existing menus. Select the menu for which you wish to enable the mega menu. Once you've selected a menu, you'll notice an option to enable the mega menu for each individual menu item. Check the box to turn on the mega menu for the desired items. This step is essential because it tells WordPress which menu items should have the expanded layout. Finally, it's time to add and edit the content of your mega menu so that it's exactly as you want it. Thanks to Elements Kit, you can do this with ease using Elementor directly. Highlight the menu item and click the link to edit with Elementor. This will open up Elementor's editing interface where you can drag and drop widgets, adjust alignments, and tweak settings to your heart's content. You have the freedom to incorporate elements like images, text blocks, and more to make your mega menu both functional and visually captivating. By following these steps, you've now successfully created a mega menu with Elementor. Enjoy the process and the enhanced navigation experience on your website.